Yari, banana yari.
It is, of course, a little trick of television. On the front of the camera, it said a blue light red the kilos reflecting off my hand. Those blue lights project onto this piece of grey cloth, which is actually made of a special reflective material. So the blue light actually bounces off this back into the camera. And if you now look at the two big boxes, you'll see Charlie standing there along with a lot of blue. Can you all see that? You'll see it. Good. Okay, what we do now is you say to the computer and the camera, where you see the colour blue, can you please digitally superimpose the weather map? I let the touch remote, that's exactly what it does. There's Charlie standing in front of the weather map. So if I come over here, I can touch the top on the BBC weather globe. I can go down to the bottom and see on the bottom down, and I can even point at the BBC. But how do I know at the moment that I'm pointing at the BBC when it's still just a piece of grey cloth that is there? Well, the way that the weather presenters know where to point is there's a little monitor on the front of the camera, which is where they see themselves. However, that monitor is back to front, which is a reverse image. So the weather presenters, they have no altitude, no script, no real map behind them, a monitor that is back to front, and they have the director talking in their ear all of the time. Doing the weather is one of the hardest jobs on television. Sean is probably to make it look very easy, but it isn't. Not that I want to panic you at all, Charlie, because I know that Sean will be giving you some top tips. But Caroline, let's reverse doing the weather.
Okay, let's see Benedictine on the camera, please. Benedictine on the camera. Benedictine on the camera. So swing it round to upstairs, lovely. Just Benedictine, there we are. Stand by the chain, you're going to catch Charlie. Here we go. Four of us. 3, 2, 1, cue Benny.
That's the news from Portsmouth now. For what sort of weather can we expect over the next few days, Charlie? Over to you.
Thanks, that's
Thank you. Well, everyone's probably aware we've had a lovely spell of weather today. Lovely break in the clouds. We see some very hot skies out there. This is mostly due to this big cloud here, which is, of course, the weather is likely going to be a little rainy, but that's fairly off to the continent, and see nice clear skies. So moving in more now on a local scale, and the place you're familiar with, now here in Portsmouth, we capture well the clouds.